T will close our show today with her thought-provoking lyrics and amazing voice as she performs Who Says.
I wouldn't want to be anybody else. Hey, you made me insecure. Told me I wasn't good enough, but who are you to judge? When you're a diamond in the rough, I'm sure you got some things you like to change and bless yourself. But when it comes to me, I wouldn't want to be anybody else. It's such a funny thing, how nothing's funny when it's things. They tell me what you mean, but you keep widening out the truth. It's like a work of art that never gets to see the light. Keeps you beneath the stars, won't let you touch the sky. Woo! I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come on, who says you're not perfect? Who says you're not worth it? Who says you're the only one that's hurting? Trust me, that's the price of beauty. Who says you're not pretty? Who says you're not beautiful? Who says you're not star potential? Who says you're not residential?